Hi, welcome back to another video. We're going to do an acrylic set. I don't quite know what I'm going to do. I've got some colours out, but I'm not 100% on what I'm going to do yet, so it's make it up as you go along. I've got Glitter Bells Snow Sparkle, which is a white. Oop. And I just dropped the lid on the floor. That is a sparkly white, basically. I'm just going to pick the lid up. I'll shove it back in this direction so I don't forget it. And then I've got some Teen Gorgeous colours out, which is Pansy, which is a nice sparkly blue. Ariel's Wish, give it a shake because this one's got glitter in it, or bigger pieces of glitter I should say. Not very often I use that one actually. I've had that one a while. And then Electric Avenue. Which you can't get no brighter. I've got some of these. They look pink at the moment, but I'm hoping once they're back on blue they will start to look blue again. We shall see. I've also pulled out that one. I can't remember which one it is. It's got gold pieces in it as well as blue, but for the life of me I can't remember whether it's Nail Sugar or Glitter Stella. Trying to think, but I can't think off the top of my head. Cannot think. Right, we shall make a start. Don't forget I'm making this up as I go along. So, oh, the other thing I was going to do, 2 seconds. Okay, I've just got a piece of this netting what Brandy sent me, Brandy from BRC Nails. I'm going to put it in my clear powder, and we are going to do, bring that on this side. Right, I've covered up my acrylic. We're just going to take Okay, let's bring you down a little bit to there. Manoeuvre them over there slightly. Oh, it's the best bit in it. Forgotten how nice that is actually. what it's called, Ariel's Wish. Give it a shake. Sorry if you can hear background noises next door, they're out in the garden. Right, I'm going to go round, oh how in shot I am, round these hopefully. I might just have to get a little brush. Just to go around the these bits. Brush. Why is it whenever you need a brush you can't find the one you want? So I'm going to have to use this horrid ugly one. Okay, that one can come out and that one can go in. Put that there a second. Very blue, isn't it, this set? Didn't think it was quite that blue, but looking at it now it's all together. Last one. This is probably going to go out Tuesday morning, early AM, or in the morning sometime. So I can remind you to enter the giveaway, which is first. Oh, let me bring you out again. Otherwise, I'll dazzle you with it. Is this and some Glitter Stella Valentine's glitter. You've got two, pull it open, you have got two different glitters in there, not to blind you, and then there is 5 foils, so that is going to go to somebody else. So that is for one person and that is for the other. Anybody can join as long as they're subscribed, and you will find the video for it. I think that was my last video I did, so yeah, so it'll be the one before this one on the list. Right, that is it. I am done and I am gonna go and have my tea in a minute. I'm gonna take some photos quickly and then I'm gonna go and eat. Okay, see you next time.